Hi guys, this is my unboxing of the Christmas present I bought myself before I left for Austin for Christmas. I was hoping to get it before Christmas, but I did not, and I just got home. So any mess that you see will be because we just this second got home, and I wanted to videotape this. This is the Coach work bag. As you can see, it has some nice, beautiful texture and the logo, the handles here. It's kind of hard to open with one hand videotaping. But let's go ahead, we can do this. Take the paper out, and like I said, it's hard. All right, I took out the paper. There's the inside logo with it has a zipper inside, and another little pocket there, another little pocket there, and here are the zippers to the zipper, to zip it. And then there's another little pocket here. Sorry, I keep turning this phone. All right, here's the other side. My husband's beef jerky from Buc-ee's in the background. All our mail on the bed. But this is the work bag. And this is this is going to be the crossbody, if I get it open here with one hand on the camera. But they match, which I thought was really, well, they match as far as color goes, but this is the crossbody. I needed some that were dressier. Now, I have the Coach tote bag that is canvas. Well, this is the other Coach bag I have, but it has a flap, as you can see. And this is the one I use when I go to clients. It holds my trash bags and my baggies, and if I need to take notes. It also holds my label maker on occasions. But that is that one that I have. And then this one is my dressier one for when I go to networking events. And then also the crossbody for when I'm wearing a dress. Just a dressier version. And then and then I have another purse like this in brown crossbody, a small brown crossbody, and a small black crossbody in this fabric. Those are great for everyday and casual. And then this is for dressy. And let me see if I can open this up and show you what the inside looks like with this one, what size. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. Cardboard. All right. But this will fit a phone, and it will fit, it has some little pockets here in case you want to put your credit cards, lipstick, and your phone. And then it has a nice crossbody, this chain. It's a chain crossbody. Now, let's open this up. And as you can see, it is long and it has some leather and chain